Hello. In this tutorial, we will use PDF index generator software to guide you through adding clickable links to all index terms and their respective page numbers. When you click on a term or page number in the book index, it will directly lead you to the corresponding page in the book. Let's get started with the program. We're currently in the final step of the process. The index has been generated, and now we are prepared to attach it to the book, which is found in this location. It's important to note that, if you choose this option to write the index to a new PDF file, no links will appear in the index, since there are no pages for them to refer to. Links only appear and function when appending the index to an existing PDF file. To display the links in the book, we will first enable their options from the program settings. Click on the Writing Settings link. You will find two options related to the index links. We will activate the first option, Write Words as Links. Clicking on an index term will direct us to the first page where it's found in the book. We will also activate the second option, Write Page Numbers of Words as Links. Clicking on any page number will take us to the corresponding page in the book. Click OK to save the settings. Now, click the Start Writing button to add the index to our book. Please note that using the links feature may cause a slight delay in writing the index to the book. Great, success! Let's open our book and check the index and its links. First, let's test a word link. Click on Leadership and Management Types, which should take us to page 109. That's correct. We will move back to the index section. Now, let's check a page number link. Click on page 93. It should take us to page 93, which is also correct. As you can see, index links greatly benefit readers, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for quickly. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.